Rhodes, Greece. This ceramic shop was established in 1969. The owner was kind enough to give us all a demonstration on how their beautiful pieces were made.
I really don't know how to do this. I'm not a potter. For me, it's really easy to tell you I know everything, but I'll lie to you. He's not a designer as I am. Now, in a few seconds, he will give the final shape of this vase.
From the wheel all the way to the painting stages. It was fascinating to see all of the different items to buy and to know that they were handmade.
Two biscuit or terracotta colors. The next procedure, we glaze them. Stamatia with the green shirt, Arati with purple. They use balloons like this, no lead, and they put colors on the items and combination. Do you see this plate? This is not ready as well, but this is not amazing.
There were so many gorgeous colors and pieces of artwork in the shop for sale and on display. It seemed they had color themes for everyone's taste. The prices start out at 16 euros and go up from there. They ship internationally and have a website you can find in the description below if you want to acquire some of the beautifully handcrafted pieces. The nice part is the variety they offer. If you want to buy something a little more traditional looking, they offer it.
If you fill it up, you're going to be punished because you become 3%.
The stories the owner told were hilarious and worth listening to. The shop itself is situated high up on a hill overlooking the beautiful ocean, and the windows let in lots of natural light to help show off the artistic work inside. If you are in Rhodes and are looking for something genuine and authentic, look no further than this wonderful little shop. It is worth the price, and you get something directly from the magical country of Greece.